So the hands are heavy. That's the kind of exhalation that stretches your back, but it doesn't stretch your back properly. We need to open our back at the expense of the chest. Look at this. This is all compressing the chest, and we need to open it. The chest, look, is open. Only it is thrown down by relaxation. This is an important secret. Sometimes they do this, and it's so hard to stand. And here's the balance. The balance is not behind or in front. It is in the middle. But in this balance, we still keep the chest in the air, and we need to lower it, relax it. In this balance, you need to lower your chest down and then raise your arms. It's getting easy. So the lower center works as follows: yin energy in front, yang energy in the back. You should always take it in. The front shouldn't be like this. This is the boss's pose. See, this place always takes in, failed, and relaxed. It's like you're sitting on a chair to stretch your back. And here, on the back, there is always tension caused by roundness. That is, elastic tension. Look here too. You can even imagine that there is a hook. We take a string, cling to the hook, and pull it to ourselves with this place. Embryos in their mother's womb suck food in this place, through the umbilical cord. This pose is the embryo pose. And this place should suck. Yes, more. There is a pattern. No matter what position you are in, if you start to relax, you will gather into the fetal position. A relaxed person falls into the fetal position or into this position. This is the balance pose.